try not to lip up onto the other door. If you get a little on there, it's no biggie. I'm trying to be very neat and very cautious that I'm painting within each of these panels, okay? So that's how I would prefer you do it, that you do it whatever works for you. You can always camouflage where you overlap, so it's not a big deal. And I'm gonna do this one little area and take it off for you right here and then move on to the next square so you can kind of get the gist of what we're doing here. I had a terry cloth rag in my hand, and that's what I'm gonna remove this with. You see, I'm brushing on a full coat. I'm even catching this panel in the center.
Now I have to admit, I wasn't expecting you to go both directions here.
What do you mean? On the brushing on, there's no reason to worry about how you brush it on.
Okay.
You're worried about how you take it off. Okay?
Gotcha.
So don't worry about how you get it on there. You just want to get a good even coat, okay? Because there's going to be some of this, because this is a semi-transparent stain, it's going to leave behind some product. So
I already love it. You could leave it that way, and
really?
I already love it.
Y'all like it already? Let me know. So I'm using my terry cloth towel, kind of made myself a little pad here, get the little tail wadded up so it don't drag behind. Just kind of go in here and swipe through it, okay? So that's going to give you that graining. The door already has a faux grain in it, which is nice. That helps to give us that wood look. Just want to let a little of that accent color come through that's behind this base coat color. That's about all you got to do, guys. You're going to make this look just like a piece of wood.
That looks
that
great.
Easily.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
how hard it is. One thing I want to talk to you about is really getting down into, because this faux grain on this door, getting into the grain. You want to make sure you're getting a good even coat, working that product into that grain, because you're really topically removing what's sitting here, okay? So just know that. If you don't get down in there well, it's going to look hit and miss. So that's a big thing to think about. Starting with my clean rack, I'm going to drag toward that, okay?
So now this time you're dragging the other way.
I am, because I don't want to mess up just where I just did this, you know? Now I'm going to blend it back. Keep those lines straight, and you can't do it if you go too long. You have to just kind of do short swipes. So I'm just working panel by panel. Then in here, where I'm up against this plastic, just gonna work a little short.